Hey guys, it's your girl Hatja again. Today we are gonna make nonororani, aka pancakes. I hope I'm not offending anyone by saying that it's pancakes, even though there's no sugar in ours. But we have it normally for breakfast in Afghanistan, and I really think of all the pancakes in the world, I would say nonororani. It has a special place in my heart. As I said, it doesn't have sugar in it. It has salt, of course, but also seeds, which for some reason is just really soothing in a way, I think, whenever I have it. Nonororani also has like this really fluffy and funny shape because it's really not too thick and not too thin, and it always should be soft. If the dough is too crunchy, you've definitely done something wrong. So please do remember to first of all give the dough some time, let it rest for at least 5 minutes if you do not have 20, and also clap the dough out in your hands instead of like flatten it as you would do, for example, with any other dough, because we don't want it to be too thin. We want it to have like this shape that's not too thick or too thin. That's why we clap it out. So please do remember to do so. And also, it just needs like 2 minutes if your pan is really hot, and we turn it over when it has like this really lovely brown color to it. And as I said, you will have it for breakfast in Afghanistan, normally with tea, sugar and marmalade. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of it, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye!